Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2023 Mechanical Engineering paper. Question number 42 is consider a fully adiabatic piston cylinder arrangement as shown in the figure. The piston is massless and cross-section area of the cylinder is E. The fluid inside the cylinder is air bracket considered as a perfect gas bracket close with gamma being the ratio of specific heat at constant pressure to the specific heat at constant volume for air. The piston is initially located at a position L1. The, the initial pressure of the air inside the cylinder is P1, very large as compared to P0, where P0 is the atmospheric pressure. The stop S1 is instantaneously removed and the piston moves to the position L2, where the equilibrium pressure of air inside the cylinder is P2, very large as compared to P0. What is the work done on the atmosphere during this process? So this figure is shown. This is the initial position, this is the final position. Here the pressure is P1, length is L1 and here the length is L2, and outside pressure is atmospheric pressure. Option A 0, option B P0 A bracket L2 minus L1. Option C P1A L1 ln L1 by L2. Option D P2 L2 minus P1 L1 within bracket into area divided by 1 minus gamma. Okay, so here when the stop is removed, the piston moves through a distance L2 minus L1, and so some work is done on atmosphere, and atmospheric pressure is constant. So change in volume of the atmosphere is A into L2 minus A into L1. Okay, so change in volume is A L2 minus A L1, and the pressure is here atmospheric pressure, it is constant, that is P0. So work done on the atmosphere is according to constant pressure process. So work done is PdV, and P is atmospheric pressure. So P V2 minus V1 will be the work done, or we can say P naught L2 minus L1 into A is work done. So that is the answer, P naught A L2 minus L1. So option B is the answer. Okay, so here we should place P naught. Okay, so answer is P naught A L2 minus L1. P naught A L2 minus L1. Answer is B.